What you can do in achieving affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable investment if you take the time to learn the tips and tricks of the trade. Watching this video is a great first step to succeeding in your affiliate marketing venture. You are sure to find great tips that will improve the plan you have developed. Create a short ebook and post it on document sharing sites. By doing this, you can show off your expertise, but you can also attract visitors and prospective buyers who are looking for similar information to your site. Be sure to include a number of links to your site inside the document. You should never have to pay to join an affiliate marketing program. Any affiliate program that asks you to pay a membership fee or training costs is more than likely just a scam that is out to take your money. Good affiliate marketing programs are free, because the parent company earns their money from the traffic and sales you send their way. In affiliate marketing, you will find products you love, as well as merchants and networks that you love to work with. You must remember that the affiliate marketing business is a business, not a romance. If a particular partnership grows unprofitable, you must be prepared to cut it off, no matter how enamored you are with the partner or their products. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, you need to make sure you are dealing with a reputable company. Do some research online to see what others have said about them and if they treat customers right. Find out if there is a consistent problem with them paying what they owe. Incorporate these valuable tips in your affiliate marketing plan and you will reap the rewards. Much time and thought have been put into gathering this information for you to use. Take the time to absorb the information and apply it to your soon-to-be profitable affiliate marketing business. Student loan.